Hello friends, welcome to our second video this week as we look at data visualization with Power BI. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a bar chart and a column chart in Power BI. My name is Mercy Consolata Keller. Let's get started. So a bar chart or a column chart is basically used to compare distributions of a numeric value by several categories. There are different types of bar charts or column charts. We have the clustered bar charts, stacked bar charts, and 100% stacked bar charts, which we shall cover in the upcoming videos. So the difference between these two charts is basically in their orientation. Bar charts are horizontally placed, while column charts are vertically placed. So let us create our bar chart here. To do that, you come over to the visualization pane, and then you select clustered bar chart, after which you go over to the data pane and select your data value. We want to look at age by sex, so we select sex, and that is it. Your chart has been created. Now you need to customize it. You come over to the visualization pane, select format your vision, scroll down to the axis, y-axis, make the value bold, increase the font size 10, change the font color to black, go over to the title, make it also bold. Once that is done, we cross over to the x-axis. Then we do the same for the values, make it bold, increase font size to 10, change the font color to black. For the title, we want to make it bold. And then for the display units, back to value, we're having our display units in thousands, so we want it to be none. Once that is done, you can now remove grid lines. There are some grid lines appearing, so we can just come over to grid lines and turn it off. Then you want to add data labels to your chart, you can just turn on, and then we can modify the value. So position, we can put it inside, and then scroll down to value and customize it further, make it bold, increase font size to 10, and that is that. Next, we can now customize our title, so we can just make it bold. If you want to make other adjustments, you can do so from there, but I'm leaving it at that. Then for effects, I want to ensure that the visual has a border, so we come to visual border, turn it on. Then under here, you are going to make other further modifications. Round corners, you increase the value so that they are more visible. And that is it. You have created your first bar chart in Power BI. Now, to create the column chart on our right, just duplicate the chart. So use Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, then drag the chart. Then we can come to the visualizations, change it to a clustered column. Then now that we're having the column, we are interested in looking at average age. So come over to build, y-axis, this drop down arrow, select it, then you choose average. The chart is altered. Next, we want to distinguish the two categories using colors. So to make the female appear in pink, you just come back to your format visuals, scroll down to columns, and once you're in columns, you have categories, all male and female. All of them are right now in blue. We want the female to appear in pink, so come over to color, choose pink, and there you go. If you have enjoyed today's content, please give the video a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel so that you're updated on new videos as they're released. Thank you and happy learning.